Your hair is your crowning glory but needs the proper care to shine. Let's start with a simple tip. Always use a hydrating shampoo and conditioner. It will help keep your hair moisturized and prevent dryness. Remember, the frequency of shampooing matters. Overwashing can strip your hair of its natural oils. Aim to shampoo 2 to 3 times a week for optimal results. Next, let's talk about heat. Excessive use of hot styling tools can cause significant damage. Protect your locks by using a heat protectant spray before styling. But it's not just about what you put on your hair, what you put in your body matters too. A balanced diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals can give you stronger, healthier hair. Don't forget about hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair and scalp hydrated from the inside out. This simple step can make a big difference. Another overlooked tip is to protect your hair from the sun. UV rays can damage your hair just like your skin. So, consider wearing a hat or using a UV protective hair product. Regular trims are essential. They help prevent split ends and keep your hair looking fresh and healthy. With these simple tips, you can transform your hair from dull and lifeless to shiny and healthy.